Discover the essence of coastal charm and academic excellence at Emily Davies in Southampton, where ultimate luxury meets unparalleled convenience. Indulge in a variety of living spaces from cozy non-en-suites to single apartments, each thoughtfully designed with your comfort in mind. Plush furnishings and ample storage await, ensuring your personal space is both stylish and functional. Elevate your downtime in the communal lounge, take a stroll in the spacious garden, and dive into your studies in the dedicated study area. What's more, stay in the best of shape with the on-site gym and catch the latest flicks in the cinema room. With all-inclusive utility bills, budgeting is a breeze. Emily Davies boasts proximity to Southampton Solent University and City College, putting you at the heart of academic vibrancy. Plus, easy access to the city's finest dining spots like Piccolo Mondo and Korean BBQ restaurant ensures culinary adventures are always just around the corner. With Southampton bus stop being a mere minute away, commuting will be an absolute breeze. Don't miss your chance to secure your urban sanctuary at Emily Davies in Southampton. Visit amberstudent.com today and embark on a journey to exceptional student living.